Hey guys, so welcome to this quick 5 minutes tutorial on virtual assistant. So this video is for people who don't want to watch 30 minutes tutorial on what being a virtual assistant is. That's why I've made this. So let's get started. Who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, technical, creative, and even social support to clients remotely. Basically, we work with business owners, startup owners, coaches, and even very busy professionals to help them stay organized. You might help with maybe administrative tasks like managing emails, calendars, or even technical tasks like managing softwares. Everything depending on your skill set. To succeed as a VA, these are the 5 soft skills that you really need to have: communication, time management, attention to detail, tech savviness, and proactiveness. These are 5 tools that every virtual assistant needs to know. Google or Microsoft Workspace, Asana, Trello, or other project management platforms, Canva, Zoom, Google Meet or Teams, Slack or WhatsApp. Now, these tools that I just mentioned are the basics. You start with this and then you can grow to add more tools to your list. Now, here are my quick tips for success. Now, these tips helped me when I was starting. First, start small. You want to offer services that you are very, very confident in. Secondly, you need to prove that you're reliable. So, while you're confident in these services and you deliver these services, you need to have proof. You need to take screenshots of these services that you've delivered, and so that they serve as social proof. You need to keep learning. Do not restrict yourself to a particular service because things change, demand change, things change. So keep learning. Next, you need to build relationship. When you meet clients, when you meet friends, tell them what you do and encourage them to refer you to people who might need your services. You never can tell. Next is to create a strong online presence. You can't do this in your parlor alone. You need to let people know that you exist, and by doing this, they would know how to contact you, what exactly you do as a VA, and then you can start from there. When I mean creating strong online presence, I mean having a fully updated LinkedIn profile, and then other social media platforms that exist. Being a virtual assistant can be a very flexible and rewarding career if you take it serious. If you feel like this video was very helpful to you, please like this video or put something in the comment section so that I can know what you think about this video. If you're looking for a community to support you, community to help you grow, we have one. You can join it through the link in the description, and see you soon. Bye.